Guess the name of birds. Guess the name of this bird. Yes, you are right. It's pigeon. What is the name of this bird? It has red beak. Yes, it's parrot. Guess the name of this bird. This bird can dance in a rainy season. Yes, it's peacock. Oh, it's very easy to guess this bird. It's mainly found in a beside of lake. Yes, it's duck. Yay! It's everyone's favorite bird. Yes, you are absolutely right. It's sparrow. Oh, it's very aggressive and dangerous bird. Are you guess the name of this bird? Yes, it's eagle. Do subscribe for more fun videos.